Performing payroll tasks in Xero UK is remarkably straightforward. Today, I'll guide you through the process step by step. To begin, log in to your Xero account and navigate to the Payroll menu. If you haven't set up Payroll yet, you'll be prompted to do so. Follow the prompts to set up your payroll, including entering your business details, tax information, and employee details. Once payroll is set up, proceed to add your employees to Xero. Enter their personal information, including full name, address, national insurance number, employment details, and pay rate. Create pay templates for different employee types, such as salaried, hourly, and contractors. These templates should include details about pay rates, allowances, deductions, and statutory holiday pay. To process pay runs, go to the Payroll menu and select Pay Runs. Click on Create to start a new pay run, then select the employees you want to pay and enter their hours worked, vacation taken, and any other relevant information. Review the pay run summary to ensure accuracy, then click Finalize to complete the pay run. After finalizing the pay run, you can pay your employees through Xero using direct deposit. Alternatively, you can print paychecks if needed. Xero will generate payslips for each employee, which you can email or print for distribution. Xero can calculate payroll taxes for you based on the information entered during setup. Remit the payroll taxes to HM Revenue and Customs according to their guidelines and deadlines. Ensure that statutory deductions such as income tax, national insurance contributions, and student loan deductions are calculated correctly and deducted from employee paychecks. Stay up to date with changes to UK payroll legislation and ensure that your payroll practices comply with relevant laws and regulations. Xero provides various payroll reports that you can generate to track your payroll expenses, tax obligations, and employee earnings over time. Run reports such as payroll summary, payroll activity, and employee details to keep track of your payroll information. If you're unsure about any aspect of payroll in Xero or need assistance with payroll compliance, consider seeking advice from a qualified accountant or payroll specialist.